Need quick, reliable heat? These microwaves cover everything from small apartments to convection baking. First, Toshiba EM131A5C BS microwave interior stainless, $139.99. A 1.2 cubic feet stainless steel microwave with sensor cooking for even heating and easy presets for classics like popcorn or potatoes. The larger interior fits family-sized plates and the stainless finish is easy to wipe down. If you want a dependable, full-size countertop microwave with smart sensor functions, this model gets the job done. Second, Toshiba EM09PA BS microwave apartment, $99.99. Compact 0.9 cubic feet design ideal for apartments and dorms, offering essential cooking functions without hogging counter space. Simple controls, energy-efficient performance, and a lighter footprint make it an excellent choice for small kitchens or office break rooms where space is at a premium. Third, Chefman Countertop Microwave Cooking One Touch, $119.99. A one-touch countertop microwave built for convenience, quick start buttons, child lock safety, and reliable reheating performance. Its simple interface minimizes guesswork, making it great for busy families and anyone who wants fast, fuss-free meals. Practical and straightforward for daily use. Fourth, Black Plus Decker EM720CB7 microwave push button, $89.99. A 0.7 cubic feet push button microwave that's compact, budget-friendly, and perfect for basic reheating and simple meals. The easy-to-use push-button controls and small footprint make it suitable for offices, tiny kitchens, or as a secondary microwave. Affordable and functional for light-duty cooking. Toshiba Countertop Convection Child Lock ML2 EC10SA, $149.99. A 1 cubic foot convection-capable microwave that doubles as a small oven for baking and crisping, plus a child